Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. Today I've made pearl millet pesarattu. Pesarattu is again a dosa which you make with green moong. Generally rice is used to make this recipe, but I've substituted it with pearl millet today. So this is a very healthy recipe rich in fiber. So do try it out. Ingredients list is given below. And if you're interested in more such millet recipes, do check out my channel and subscribe to it, and also like and share. So let's jump into the recipe. So we need to soak the green moong dal and the pearl millet or bajra overnight. That's at least for 6 to 8 hours. So I'm going to just wash this nicely 2-3 times and then soak it in water overnight. Now after soaking it, I've just removed all the water into a sieve. And now I'm going to grind this into a batter. So my batter is ready. I've poured sufficient water and made it into a really smooth batter. I'm going to add some salt to this. Mix well. And then we are going to let this ferment for at least 3 to 4 hours. Now after 3 to 4 hours, you can see that the batter has nicely fermented. Now I'm going to mix well and then adjust the consistency of the batter. And then we'll be ready to make the dosa. Before that, I'm going to add some red chilli, green chilli and ginger, which I'm going to make a paste out of in a mixie jar. I've added a little bit of batter to make the paste easily. Then I'm going to mix this into the batter and then mix everything together. And our pearl millet pesarattu batter is ready. Now my dosa pan is ready. I've just greased it with a little bit of oil. I'm going to pour the batter into this and we'll spread it like a normal dosa. Then I'm going to top this with some finely chopped onion and coriander leaves. Now we'll let the dosa crisp from the bottom and then it's ready to be flipped. So you can see the dosa is ready. Dosa or the pesarattu is ready. You can serve this with any chutney of your choice. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye.